This one-pot salmon and rice is your new go-to for a fuss-free, flavor-packed dinner. Brimming with tender salmon, vibrant veggies, and perfectly cooked rice, it's a complete meal in one skillet that will dazzle your taste buds. Ingredients: for salmon fillets: 1 teaspoon seasoning salt, 3 tablespoons olive oil divided, 1 large onion, finely diced, 1 medium green bell pepper, finely diced, 1 medium red bell pepper, finely diced, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cube chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon turmeric, salt and pepper to taste, 1½ cups long grain rice rinsed, 3 cups chicken broth, low sodium or vegetable broth, 1 lemon, zest and juice, 1 tablespoon fresh parsley for garnish. Instructions: 1. Season and sear the salmon. First things first, grab those salmon fillets and sprinkle them with some seasoning salt. Now, heat a bit of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Pop in the salmon, skin side down if they have skin, and sear them for a couple of minutes on each side. We're looking for a nice color, not cooking them through just yet. Remove them from the skillet and set aside. 2. Cook the veggies. Turn the heat down to medium and add a bit more olive oil to the same skillet, then toss in your diced onion and bell peppers. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, then stir in that garlic. You want to cook it for another 30 seconds or so until it gets nice and fragrant. 3. Toast the rice. Next up, add the rinsed rice to the skillet. Also throw in the chicken bouillon, paprika, turmeric, and a bit of salt and pepper. Give it all a good stir and let the rice toast slightly. 4. Simmer everything. Time to pour in your broth and sprinkle in the lemon zest. Bring the whole thing to a simmer. Now, gently place those seared salmon fillets right on top of the rice. Cover the skillet with a lid and turn the heat down low. Let it all cook together until the rice is tender and the salmon is perfectly flaky, which should take about 18 to 20 minutes. Do not peek. 5. Final touches. Drizzle some lemon juice over everything and give it a taste. Fluff up the rice a little bit and adjust the seasoning if you need to. Last but not least, sprinkle some fresh parsley over the dish. And there you have it, a delicious, comforting meal all in one pot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.